How can you enable subtitles on the Google Meet on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. I mean, it's pretty simple to do. Just at first, make sure you're on the latest version of the app by going to the App Store and looking up the Google Meet like that. And you can see if there is an update button, make sure you install it so you get the latest version of the app, right? And then once you're inside any of your meetings, you can create a new one or join an existing one. But what you have to do is to tap on the three dots, and the subtitles button is the one with the CC in the rectangle, right? Which stands for closed captions. And when you enable this, you also get to pick the language of the meeting because you have the option to switch it to a different one. But if you set it up properly, you'll be able to see the text from you or from someone else transcribed on the screen in real time. So you can see and have the subtitles ready and everything. So it's pretty useful and you get to see it like that. And yeah, as I said, it should work out well. So let me know in the comments below if it also worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next upcoming tutorials as well.